Ask an agent. Here's a question on understanding the difference between collision insurance and comprehensive insurance on your auto insurance policy. So here it is. Collision insurance is when you actually collide with something. You collide with another car, you collide with a tree, you collide with something in a parking lot, something like that. That's collision insurance, and that's where your insurance would pay to repair your car. Obviously, there's a deductible involved, so you would pay the deductible, and then the insurance would pay the difference between the deductible and the amount. Comprehensive is anything other than collision. So that would be when something hits your car, like an animal, a deer or a wild animal, a turkey or a fox, something like that, as well as vandalism, theft, anything else happens while your car is just parked. That's comprehensive coverage. The important part of comprehensive insurance is you want to make sure here in New York State that you have full glass coverage. That's wonderful. If you have a broken windshield, a chip, there's no deductible with that. Full glass coverage. So that's comprehensive and collision. And this is Ask an Agent, Peter Wallin.